Having information about the foods that we are eating is really important nowadays because in the market we get a variety of foods that can either make us healthy or can make our health more worse. And so we should be aware of the quality as well as the quantity of the foods that we are consuming on a daily basis and whether those foods are actually nutritious or they are just satisfying our taste buds. We should ask these questions to ourselves because diet plays a huge role in keeping us healthy and away from illness as well. So, in this video, I'll be sharing what are the different types of nutrients that we can get from those foods and the benefits that we can get if we are eating those nutritious foods. Also, I'll be sharing what is the correct pattern for eating our meals. So, let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal, well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. I used to think that nutrients only provide our body with energy so that we can perform our daily activities. But the reality is, nutrients do more than that. It enhances our growth and development, repairs our cells and tissues, and maintain them as well. And also, it helps our body in fighting off infections. So basically, nutrients are required by our body in order to keep us healthy throughout the life. But it can also hamper our health if we are not eating the right type of food. Now the real question is, what foods are good and bad for our health? Well, there is a very simple formula to find which foods are good and bad for our health. Foods that we get from outside, whether they are packaged or canned or processed or whatever, we need to avoid these foods as they are very harmful for our health. It's because these foods are mainly loaded with a lot of sugars, carbs, trans fats, excess sodium, and some additives as well. And they can cause problems like heart disease, obesity, fatty liver, and diabetes in some cases. So, we need to avoid these kinds of foods. Now, what foods should we really consume on a daily basis? The answer is pretty obvious. Foods that are naturally available to us, like whole grains, pulses, lentils, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods contain a variety of nutrients that are actually good for our health. So, we should eat foods that are natural, fresh, and are cooked inside our home rather than eating foods that comes from outside, and no wonder why they are known as junk foods. And as we all know, eat healthy to live healthy. Like I said before, we get a variety of nutrients from our foods and we should be aware of those nutrients that we get from them. So, let's talk about each of these nutrients one by one in more detail. The first type of nutrient is carbohydrates, which give our body instant energy and can also shoot up our blood sugar levels. We mainly get carbohydrates from foods like sugar, jaggery, honey, potatoes, sweet potatoes, whole grains, legumes, fruits, and some vegetables as well. Animal sources like dairy products, which includes milk, curd, and yogurt, also give us some amount of carbohydrates. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that we get from foods like apples, pears, carrots, broccoli, brown rice, oats, and beans as well. Fiber is really good in enhancing our digestion and prevent us from having constipation as it smoothens the stool movement. So, we should add fiber into our diet in the right amount and of good quality as well. The second nutrient is fats. They are really essential for our brain and for our vital organs as it provides protection against external shock. We can find fats in both plant sources like avocados, almonds, pumpkin seeds, mustard, and coconut oil, and animal sources like fish, meat, eggs, and dairy products as well. We should make sure that we add fat in our diet in moderation because if we are consuming excess fat, then it can create problems like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes as well. Next up is proteins. Proteins are required for building up muscles, repairing our cells and tissues, and for regulating different types of body processes as well. We can mainly get proteins from animal sources like eggs, meat, fish, and dairy products. And we can also get proteins from plant sources like pulses, lentils, nuts like almonds, chia seeds, and tofu, but in a very small amount. We should make sure that we are eating adequate amount of protein on a daily basis because we need protein in order to maintain our overall health. The fourth type of nutrient is vitamins. Vitamins are useful for our vision, immune system, skin health, and gut linings as well. We can get vitamins from animal sources such as meat, eggs, dairy products like milk, and fatty fish. And we can also get vitamins from plant sources such as carrots, green leafy vegetables like spinach, berries, citrus fruits like lemons, grapes, oranges, nuts, and whole grains as well. The fifth and the last type of nutrient is minerals. Minerals are essential for our bone health, brain health, and for our blood as well as it enhances their functions. We can get minerals from foods such as green leafy vegetables, nuts, lentils, and dairy products like milk as well. Now, we have discussed what are the different types of nutrients that we should consume every single day. But do you know that there is a particular sequence in which we should eat all these nutrients? If we are eating our nutrients in a correct sequence, then we can easily enhance our overall health as it can impact our blood sugar, weight management, and many more such things in a positive way. So, what is the correct pattern of eating our foods? We should start our meal with fiber like salad with some oil dressings. Then we can add some protein in the form of veggies so that we can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates. Then we can add some healthy fats into our diet, and at last we can have carbs like desserts but in a very small amount. Following this particular eating pattern can actually enhance our insulin response, reduce glucose spikes, and can also keep us feel longer for a longer period of time as it increases the satiety value. So, fiber, then proteins, then fats, and then at last carbs. If we follow this pattern, then according to recent research studies, we can easily ensure overall wellness. If we are consuming foods that are rich in nutrients like fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, whole grains, pulses, lentils, legumes, and many more such foods, then we can actually provide our body with a lot of health benefits. Basically, our body will thank us if we are providing it with a balanced nutrition at the right time and in the right amount as well. Let's talk about each of these benefits in more detail. If we are eating healthy foods, then it can improve our cardiovascular health by reducing the amount of bad cholesterol and inflammation as well. It can also control our blood pressure and bring it back to normal, which is excellent for our heart health. Healthy foods can also enhance our gut health, brain health, our mood, and can potentially slow down our aging process as well. It's because nutrient-dense foods are rich in antioxidants which can prevent our cognitive decline that will eventually improve our brain health. Having foods that are rich in vitamin A, C, D, and E can strengthen our immune system and can also reduce our oxidative stress as well. Nutrients can also improve our insulin sensitivity, which can help in reversing diabetes in many cases. They are also helpful in reducing excess body fat, which is great for weight management. Research suggests that if we are consuming nutrient-rich foods, then it can actually disrupt tumor growth inside our body, and this can easily prevent us from having cancers in the near future. So basically, nutrients are great for maintaining our overall health. Nutrient-dense foods are excellent for both physical as well as mental health. This proves that nutrients can not only prevent us from having diseases, but it can also promote holistic well-being as well. So, to conclude this video, I will just say that healthy eating is not only crucial for weight management, but it is also required for preventing ourselves from chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancers as well. We need healthy nutrients to boost up our energy and keep our gut, brain, immune system, bones, and muscles healthy throughout the life. We also need healthy nutrients to reduce inflammation and increase our longevity as well. Overall, diets that are rich in whole foods are really good for our overall health and wellness. And so, we should make sure that we are eating healthy as well as clean foods for our own well-being. Time for an amazing fact. Did you know walnuts actually look like our brain? But the amazing part is walnuts can actually boost up our brain health because it contains omega-3 fatty acids which can enhance our cognitive function. So, do add walnuts into your diet in order to keep your brain healthy. Let me know in the comment section which are the simple ways that you follow in order to find which foods are good and bad for your health. And also let me know what are the foods that you eat on a daily basis to keep yourself healthy. If you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also keep their diet healthy and rich with nutrients. And if you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.